Something's coming from the other direction!
Oh my God, it's Jared from Subway!
It's true, people. Godzilla versus Subway in the ugliest fight ever, the Battle of the $5 footlong. Wednesday, the people behind the giant monster, Godzilla, not Jared, filed a federal lawsuit against the sandwich shop over this ad, in which a, quote, giant green erect standing monster is seen slanging hoagies. Apparently, Godzilla's more of a Quiznos guy. Now, G-Funk's peeps want Subway to fork over some serious bread. We're talking at least $150,000. And why not? You think Mothra comes cheap? Reps for Subway weren't around to comment, but their lawyer had this to say.